Whoa, what we got today? Separate from the ordinary.
Start talking, Haywood.
This is not exciting. I don't know what the f we're doing.
It's a Ryft exhaust.
But for what?
A Huracan.
Oh, okay, let's see.
It doesn't matter for what?
Oh, now I'm a little more excited. I don't want to see it for like a Kia Optima. Oh, what the heck is that? Okay, you got a little travel bag. Ryft Owners Club. That is so cool. That's nice.
That's so nice.
Yeah, laser engraved. It's all in the details.
Even the welds on here are freaking perfect. Can we have Sean watch this? Because I love whenever like he just goes, yo, that's so sick.
Yo, that's sick.
The best part of waking up.
That's
Ryft in your car.
That's definitely
The Houston Police Department fake Ryft exhaust.
Oh, dude, this is so nice. Huracan Performance, 1 of 18, first edition. Yeah, look at the color. It's so cool. For more pipes?
You want details? I got details. You ain't gonna get this anywhere else. Nobody will ever see that. Cause look, it's on the back side.
That's crazy.
Nobody will ever see that. But you know what? They still did that.
They do that because then you can't steal it and rebrand it.
Oh gosh, I couldn't do it anymore.